On the very north shores around the island of Bali, there's protected waters where the coral is being brought back to life. You can be a part of the revival, helping the delicate marine ecosystems thrive and adapt. Let's take a look at what you can experience with Bondalem Eco Dive. Waking up around 5 a.m. to make the trek from the middle of the island, the volcano views and the lack of traffic made for an enjoyable ride north. Here's an overview of Bali. If we zoom in, Bondalem is a village about 30 minutes away from the northernmost tip of the island. Side note, if you're following Google Maps from the south, it'll bring you along this route. This road is very steep. How steep, you ask? Yep, it's that steep. If you lose momentum, you might lose your balance. Instead, I would continue on this road. It's mostly 2 lanes and a little easier to stay upright. Shaking off the nerves, I arrived unharmed at the dive shop in Bondalem. We suited up, completed safety checks, and then on to the beach for a walkout dive. That's me, hoping to spot great marine life and of course a turtle along the way. The water is incredibly calm with almost no current. Perfect conditions for a dive. As we follow the gentle slope of the ocean floor, we continue to encounter more dense populations. With different types of coral come different species of fish. Some use it for food, and others for shelter. The more established coral are teeming with life, creating a map of what's to come for the coral regeneration area we're swimming towards. Before we get there, one last inhabitant to bless our efforts. To provide for different types of coral, there are different types of structures being utilized. These are concrete domes providing plenty of hiding spots, spawning fresh growth. Finally, we arrive to the garden we're supporting for this dive. metal wire frames shaped like giant sea turtles secured on concrete anchor blocks. The dive masters identify what coral that has broken away can be transplanted, and how to secure it to the wireframe to withstand the much harsher monsoon season currents. This is my first attachment. Let's watch the full process. Side note, if you're a diver, you need an Apple Watch Ultra. It automatically turns to a dive computer when submerged, showing time underwater, deepest and current depths, and water temperature. Invaluable data on any dive. This little guy I named Franklin. He continued nibbling at my gloves while I was tending his garden. Thanks for the company, Franklin. For more information on a fun dive, certifications, or to tend the coral gardens, contact Bondalem Eco Dive at gmail.com.